Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. You gotta sit in there and put your seatbelt on.
I can see my Jojo.
No, you gotta sit in your seat.
I can see my sit.
Sit in that seat.
See, that's my seat.
Okay, you wanna sit back there?
I'm gonna see.
All right. You gotta sit in your seat though.
I get that one. Get that one.
You gotta sit in the seat.
I can see my
No, you can't sit in that one.
little.
You gotta sit in that seat.
I see that seat.
No, you can't sit in that seat. Which seat? You gotta sit. You gotta sit in your chair. Which one are you gonna sit in?
Let's go.
No, we gotta sit. You gotta sit in this chair. You gotta sit up here, hon. You can't sit back there. Come on. Are you gonna sit back there? Okay. You gonna sit back there?
Yeah.
All right. You got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Put it on.
Yeah.
Put your seatbelt on.
Get it. Got it.
Put your seatbelt on.
No. I see what you.
You gotta put your seatbelt on.
No.
Okay, then we can't go.
Okay, go.
You have to put your seatbelt on.
No. And this way goes.
Oh, we can't go.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready to go get some ice cream?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down in that seat so I can buckle you in.
I bought my in.
Okay, sit down in there.
No.
Well, then we can't go. Nope, you gotta sit in. Ready?
No.
You gotta sit up here.
I'm just right here in my chair.
Okay, sit in your chair.
No.
Well, then we can't go.
Oh, I'm there. No.
Nope, not over there.
Okay, Jojo.
Oh,
We won't just stay.
no, can't go over there.
It's button. It's button. It's button.
Mm-hmm.
Open. Got it.
Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down up here. You ready to go?
Can't get out.
You have to sit down. Grab your seatbelt. Get your seatbelt on. You gotta get your seatbelt on.
No.
Then we can't go. Remember where your seatbelt is. There you go. Good girl. No, no, we gotta stay up front. You can't, honey. You gotta sit up front. We can't, sweetie. We can't. I wish we could, but we can't. I know you want to drive, but we can't.
We can't. Why can't I drive?
We can't.
I can't drive.
No, this is not safe. Okay, you gotta get in your spot. You gotta get in your spot.
Why driving?
You're gonna try to drive?
Yeah.
Is that what you're trying to do, is drive?
Yeah.
Well, you can't drive. You gotta sit in your seat.
I see my seat.
That's your seat over there.
I can see my seat.
This is JoJo's seat, Mima's seat.
Nemo
So
seat.
you need to sit over here on this side.
Inside.
Okay? Come on. You can't drive.
Yeah. But it's just
Don't mess with that. Don't mess with that. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta sit up though.
this.
Come on, sit up. Okay.
I can see my Jojo.
Okay, here. You gotta be in your chair. Right there. Okay. That's your chair. Okay, here's your belt.
No, I don't want my bed.
Well, then we can't go. You have to stay in your belt. No, you have to stay in your seatbelt. We can't go. You have to stay in your seatbelt. All right, we gotta stay.
Can I go put?
Nope.
Okay.
That is not good. Here, give me that.
No, don't get them.
All right.
Give me.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
You have to sit down. No, you can't go back here. I know. You can play when we get home.
Ice cream.
Okay. Well, you want ice cream?
Here.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
All right, sit down. We'll go get some right now. We'll go. You gotta sit down, honey. We'll go get some ice cream right now. Okay.
I hear them.
All right, we're gonna go get some ice cream right now.
Okay.
Ready? Sit down.
Sit
Okay.
down.
Here. Here. We're gonna go get some ice cream. Here. Good girl. See, good girls get ice cream. Okay. All right. Let's go get some ice cream. Okay. Hang on. Good. See, you're a good girl. No, you gotta leave it on. Okay, we can't go. We can't go. Leave it alone. You have to keep it there, honey. We can't. Okay, I won't be able to take you here anymore.
Can I
No more.
quit?
You have to put the seatbelt on. Now leave it on. Okay, leave it on. Okay, we'll have to stay here then. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, do it by yourself.
I can't.
You can.
Go there.
All right. Buckle it in.
Go in.
You know how to buckle it in. Right here. See that?
See that?
Push it in.
Put it in.
Now leave it there. Okay, well, we can't go. Ready?
I can't.
Well, we can't go. No, you got to sit here, honey. Here. Okay, we can't go anywhere till you sit down and put your seatbelt on.
Mommy, give me that.
Hmm.
Not yours.
That's poison.
Not yours.
All right,
Not yours.
that's mine.
Not yours.
That's mine.
It's not yours.
Whose is it?
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's not for you. Not leave it there.
Okay. Okay.
Don't take the cat. Leave it there.
All right, leave it right there. Put your seatbelt on.
Leave. Leave it.
Put your seatbelt on.
It's cool.
Ready? All right, let's go. Put your seatbelt on.
I can see right there.
Well, you can't ride like that.
Or this way. This way, this way, this way, this way.
Which way?
That way.
Okay, then put your seatbelt on.
Keep it.
No, you can't go back here.
Go back
You
here.
got to sit right there.
Back there. Back here. Back there.
Ready? Ready to go? You ready to go?
It's not yours.
What's not mine? It's not yours.
It's not yours.
It's not yours.
It's not yours.
Let me have it. Whose is it?
It's Chinese.
Who?
Talk.
All right. Let's go. Put your seatbelt on. Here.
Let me go.
Come on, we got to go.
No, Jenny.
We got to go get some ice cream. We have to go get some ice cream. What? Okay, we're not going to come to the park anymore.
What?
This park.
This first.
We're not going to come here anymore.
Give me that. Jojo.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Jojo.
I know.
Where's my mic?
We'll go get it when we get home.
What go? What go?
It went on the floor. Say hi, Mom.
Hi,
I'm
Mom.
being a good girl.
I'll be good girl.
Okay, then sit down. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. We can't go until you put your seatbelt on.
No, I like it. Oh my God! What? Jojo for?
You can't. You have to sit down, and we have to put your seatbelt on in order to go. Or we cannot go.
Not go. What go? On the floor.
We cannot go until you put your seatbelt on.
I can't see.
Okay? Sit down. Let's put your seatbelt on.
Come on.
You can't go back here.
Jojo.
Honey, I know. We can't with you sitting here, sweetie. We can't with you sitting here. Look, we can't go here with you sitting here.
I'm driving.
You can't drive. Okay? Here. We can't.